Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally able to bring you, after a long wait, my shopping at Nykaa.com during their Diwali sale. Now, as you guys know, Nykaa is a very popular website. Nykaa has been having their Diwali sale where a lot of brands are up to 40% off, and of course I had quite a few things in my bucket list that I finally was able to purchase. I have not one but two boxes here. No, they're not chock full. This is not a huge haul, but I did order these two boxes separately, so I got them separately. So let's start one at a time, shall we? In the first box, the first thing that I decided to purchase is the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation, and I am in the shade 01 Rose Ivory. I didn't know what shade to go for, so I did look up a few reviews and things, and I must say that this is a pretty decent shade match for me. Let me give you a quick swatch over here. I will be doing detailed reviews of all of these items, of course, but I think it's okay to give you a quick swatch here. So this is what the consistency is like. It's very moussey and light, and then you can just blend, and it kind of blends away into nothing, but at the same time it leaves the skin feeling quite soft, so I like that. I'm still experimenting with it a little bit, so I'm yet to figure out how exactly I'm going to use it and what is the best way to use it, but till then this is the first thing that I got. The next item is a face primer, and it is this is the Color Bar Perfect Match primer. It's a silicone based primer. I'm going to show you what the tube looks like, even though there's no real purpose in kind of swatching it, but essentially this is what the tube looks like. It's very pretty, very sleek. You can see the quantity of product inside. It opens up like this, and this is the back of the packaging. I will be reviewing this as well. I plan to do that, and I'm still experimenting with most of this makeup. So yeah. The next item that I got was this, an eyeshadow palette. This is the Freedom Makeup London Pro 12 Audacious Matte palette. All of these shades are completely matte, and there are a nice array of basic neutrals. So you've got, you know, a dark grey, a dark brown, some medium browns, some pinky flesh toned ones, a few yellow toned ones, creams, etc. I have not tried this. I have swatched this a little bit, and I do have my thoughts on it, but just wait for a review, and yeah, just stay tuned. Also, I haven't shot any of these reviews yet, so just let me know which one of these you want to see first, so I can focus on that. The last item in this box is a lipstick, and it is the L'Oreal exclusive collection by Naomi. This is the pink matte collection. I hope you can see it, and this was the most light neutral one that I could find. It's of course the one that I'm wearing on my lips right now. This is matte. I have topped it off with a very similar shade ka gloss, but this is what the bullet looks like. This is what the shade is, and this is what it looks like on my lips. Just to give you a quick swatch at the back of my hand, it's this. I hope you guys can see it. I hope my camera is picking it up. This is the shade. It's very like cool toned but very neutral everyday pink. It's in certain times it's like my lips but better, but lighter but better, and it's actually a very good lipstick. I have been using the heck out of it. I love it. Now I have one more lipstick from the L'Oreal collection range. It's a red one. I think it's Pure Rouge, I believe. And these are the two L'Oreal lipsticks that I have. They're very similar in formula. So if you guys want to see a review on both of those together, then let me know in the comments below. I'd be very happy to do it for you. I have a feeling this video is going to be really short, because I'm not, as per my usual style, giving any kind of mini reviews on this, but well, it's what it is. I didn't buy a lot of things, but what I did buy I'm extremely super excited about. The next item is a foundation. Again, I had been planning on getting this for a while, and I just never kind of got around to it. So finally it's here. It is the, just give me a second. The next item is a foundation that I had been planning to buy for a while, but when it came out I didn't really need a new foundation, and now I just feel like I want to buy a new one. So I decided finally to take the plunge. It's not much of a plunge, but still I decided to get the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Again, I didn't know what shade I would be, so I just made kind of a guesstimate, and I decided to get the shade 128 Warm Nude. I think this is the second lightest shade that they have available. I think the first lightest is Ivory or something, and I knew that that was going to be just a shade too light. It's the foundation that I'm wearing today. I'm wearing a lot of highlight and whatnot on top of it, so you can't really tell perhaps, but this is just a shade too warm for me. Again, I'm pretty sure that Ivory would have been too light, so I would have fallen somewhere between this and Ivory. So it is what it is. I can definitely make it work, and this is the one that I'm wearing today. Again, it's only the first time that I've worn it, and as a first impressions, it's really nice and light, and it feels like nothing on my face. So I like it. Again, it does make me feel very poreless and stuff, so that's always nice. But I am yet to gather my thoughts on this, and I will be reviewing it for you guys very soon. And finally, the last product that I got is something that is completely non-makeup related. It is this. This is my, there it is. It is this. This is my L'Oreal Paris Smooth Intense Smoothing Serum. You guys probably know from my hair care video. If you don't, I have a link in the description box. You guys already probably know from my hair care video that I am completely hooked to my Matrix Biolage, Biolace, whatever serum. I have been trying other things, but that is the one that I keep going back to. Well, I'm again in a phase where I want to try something new, so I decided to pick this one up. I have not tried it yet. This package with this and the Fit Me foundation, it came today. So I have definitely not been able to play with this. I will play with this the next time I take a bath, but it smells like nothing. It's entirely possible that my nose is blocked. My nose is always blocked. I'm always blocked. No, it does have a smell. It has a very L'Oreal-y kind of shampoo smell. I don't know what to say. Oh, the bottle is not full to the brim, which is very surprising. Usually these things are like really full to the brim, but this is only full up to here, maybe a little bit lower, maybe up till only here. Usually these things are filled till here. In any case, I don't know how L'Oreal packages their stuff, but I hope it works out. I have nothing at the moment to say about this except that I think the bottle is cute, and I was kind of hoping that it's going to be a glass bottle, but well, what can you say, right? But the outer packaging is very pretty. I love gold everything. So yeah, anyway, this is all that I got from my haul. I will have all of the prices and everything mentioned in the description box. The prices that I mentioned are going to be the ones at which that I purchased them. In later videos when I use these items, I'm going to mention the MRP, but today, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to mention the prices at which I got these items. And yeah, just go ahead, check out the Nykaa sale. It's really truly very nice. It's nice to find makeup at a discount at times, because over here in India makeup is extremely expensive. So this is what it is. I really hope you enjoyed this. I have been waiting for my packages for so long, so I am so super excited and so super stoked to be shooting this video for you guys today. And so I hope that all my mehnat kind of paid off and you enjoyed this. If you did, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. A thumbs up is like a hug from you guys, and it's always like a very warm kind of happy fuzzy sensation every time I see a certain number of people who have given me this wonderful virtual hug. So which is why I always start my videos like this, because I want to give you all a hug, because I love you all. On that note, I also want to tell you that please do subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I am about to reach 1000 subscribers. I am at 900 and something right now, and I have decided, as mentioned before, to host a giveaway as soon as I reach 1000 subscribers. So in preparation of that, I hope you guys will subscribe, and I hope you guys will share this video and my channel with all of your friends, and we'll kind of grow our little family over here. And you guys know how much I love to talk to you, so Also, I have my email linked in the description box for any of you who want to be pen pals. The 2 or 3 of you who do kind of talk to me via email, you know how much fun we have. So I would love to get to know more of you, even better. So yeah, just hit me up on all of those. I also have my Facebook and my Instagram and my Twitter linked in the description box, so please just follow me over there as well. And yeah, I hope you have a great day, night, evening, whatever, wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.